Welcome friends, I am Sujata Agarwal, tarot card reader and Vedic astrologer. Today whole world is suffering from COVID-19 and global recession. And we have in mind if this year is a good year or bad year. We welcome this year with a big bang and keeping many resolutions in our mind. But we had no idea that universe has some different plans for us. Conjunction of Jupiter and Ketu in the Sagittarius sign last November 2019 was the triggering point towards global recession via virus COVID-19 or coronavirus. This global recession, which we can call the Great Depression or a period of economic crisis, has become a storm for the markets worldwide, and it has led lot of people in utter despair. If we take it from astrological point of view, this year total is 4 and 4 means Rahu. Rahu is taken as god of storm and Ketu is taken as virus, and both of these planets movement in their exalted sign is the reason of natural disasters like COVID-19 or locust, which has led to global recession. Rahu has also aspect on 10th house, and 10th house is of profession, which has impacted income sources and businesses very badly. During this recession period, there will be significant fall in activities related to financial sector, which can last from few months to several years. And in these years, for all of us, debt will be a major problem. So now this is the time to think logical and practical. Moreover, Rahu makes the person logical and practical also. So we have to invest our money wisely. We must be getting relief from this COVID-19 in the month of September, when Rahu and Ketu changes their place in transit. However, fight for global recession will continue for long time. To cope up with this recession period and to stay safe as well, nature is guiding us to become more technical in this digital age and to explore new opportunities through digital marketing and to be more IT friendly. So friends, don't think 2020 is so worse, as after every dark night there is always a beautiful morning. This period is giving us time to gain knowledge and apply that knowledge and savings in the right direction, so that we can emerge again from this vicious circle of global recession. So friends, don't get panic, as world is closed for renovation, grand opening very soon. For more astrological predictions, you can come back to me through Astro Talk. All the best. Thank you.